मैंने उसे कल देखा। I saw him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना। I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. हम फिल्म देख रहे थे। We were watching a movie. We were watching a movie. वह समय पर नहीं पहुंचा। He didn't arrive on time. He didn't arrive on time. उसने मेरे लिए खाना बनाया। She cooked food for me. She cooked food for me. हमने उस पर भरोसा नहीं किया। We didn't trust him. We didn't trust him. वह स्कूल नहीं गया था। He hadn't gone to school. He hadn't gone to school. वह अचानक चला गया। He left suddenly. He left suddenly. मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया। I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. उन्होंने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। They didn't give any answer. They didn't give any answer. क्या तुम्हें मजा आया? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? उसने कुछ नहीं खाया। He ate nothing. He ate nothing. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था। I was studying. I was studying. वे पार्टी में नहीं आए। They didn't come to the party. They didn't come to the party. मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया। I didn't eat anything. I didn't eat anything. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि ऐसा हो। I didn't want this to happen. I didn't want this to happen. तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you reply? Why didn't you reply? वह कुछ नहीं बोल रहा था। He wasn't saying anything. He wasn't saying anything. वे कल हमारे घर आए। They came to our house yesterday. They came to our house yesterday. मैंने यह काम नहीं किया था। I hadn't done this work. I hadn't done this work. उसने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया। He gave me a gift. He gave me a gift. उन्होंने मुझसे कोई वादा नहीं किया। They didn't make any promise. They didn't make any promise. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. वह खुश नहीं थी। She was not happy. She was not happy. उसने कुछ नहीं खाया। He ate nothing. He ate nothing. मैंने यह सपना कभी नहीं देखा। I never had this dream. I never had this dream. मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया। I completed my homework. I completed my homework. तुम कल कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? मैंने उसकी बात नहीं मानी। I didn't agree with him. I didn't agree with him. क्या तुमने मुझे याद किया? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? हमने कुछ नहीं सुना। We didn't hear anything. We didn't hear anything. तुमने उसे जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you answer him? Why didn't you answer him? वह बहुत खुश था। He was very happy. He was very happy. क्या उन्होंने कुछ कहा? Did he say anything? Did he say anything? वह गाना गा रही थी। She was singing a song. She was singing a song. वह कब वापस आया? When did he return? When did he return? हमने बहुत मजा किया। We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. तुमने अपना काम कब पूरा किया? When did you finish your work? When did you finish your work? क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया था? Had you called me? Had you called me? क्या उसने तुम्हें फोन किया? Did she call you? Did she call you? हमने फिल्म देखी। We watched a movie. We watched a movie. वह क्यों रो रही थी? Why was she crying? Why was she crying? क्या तुमने उसे माफ कर दिया था? Had you forgiven him? Had you forgiven him? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Who were you talking to? Who were you talking to? मैं इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting. I was waiting. उसने किसे बुलाया था? Whom did he invite? Whom did he invite? तुम कल कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you reply? Why didn't you reply? वे कल गांव गए थे। They went to the village yesterday. They went to the village yesterday. क्या उसने वादा किया था? Had he made a promise? Had he made a promise? मैंने उसे फोन नहीं किया। I didn't call him. I didn't call him. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. हम वहां नहीं रुके। We didn't stay there. We didn't stay there. बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे थे। The kids were playing in the park. The kids were playing in the park. उसने सच्चाई बताई। He told the truth. He told the truth. वह मुझे देख रहा था। He was watching me. He was watching me. उसने दरवाजा बंद किया। He closed the door. He closed the door. मैं उस समय पढ़ाई कर रहा था। I was studying at that time. I was studying at that time. मैंने उसे मना कर दिया। I refused him. I refused him. मैंने खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोए। I washed my hands before eating. I washed my hands before eating. उन्होंने हमारी मदद की। They helped us. They helped us. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया था। He hadn't told me anything. He hadn't told me anything. मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा था. I had seen you before. I had seen you before. मैंने पहले ही अपना काम पूरा कर लिया था. I had already finished my work. I had already finished my work. मैंने यह किताब पढ़ी थी. I had read this book. I had read this book. हमने बहुत पहले यह तय कर लिया था. We had decided this a long time ago. We had decided this a long time ago. वह अपने दोस्तों से मिला. He met his friends. He met his friends. मैंने उसे पहले कभी नहीं देखा था. I had never seen him before. I had never seen him before. तुमने क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? मैंने उसे बहुत समझाया था. I had explained it to him a lot. I had explained it to him a lot. हम सुबह जल्दी उठे. We woke up early in the morning. We woke up early in the morning. वह जाने से पहले मुझसे मिला था. He had met me before leaving. He had met me before leaving. वह लगातार कोशिश कर रहा था. He was trying continuously. He was trying continuously. मैंने उसे मना किया फिर भी वह गया. I refused him yet he went. I refused him yet he went.